Here is another one of those videos that you might be interested in. Otherwise, you wouldn't be here watching it, right? Well, in this video here, I will show you how you can build a stairway with 2x4s and 3/4 inch plywood or OSB. And for those of you wondering who in the heck would ever build a stairway like this, well, that would be somebody who doesn't have access to some of the larger lumber that you might use for a stair stringer, or doesn't have a vehicle to transport the lumber from the lumberyard to their home. So the first thing you are going to want to do will be to lay out the floor plan. And in our example here, our stairway is going to be 3 foot wide and have 11 1/8 inch wide stair treads. And of course, the measurements for your stairway could be different. And it's really not that difficult. You're going to be building individual walls that are going to be the width of your stairway. And you're simply going to subtract the width of your stair tread materials from the overall total rise. Our rise is going to be 7 inches. And if we subtract 3/4 of an inch from that, our first wall will be 6 1/4 inches tall. Our second wall will be 3/4 of an inch, less than 14 inches. And you'll just simply work your way up the stairway, building each wall to fit precisely within those measurements. Now here I went ahead and put a stair stringer in here for those of you who might know how to build stairs with stringers, yet might not be exactly clear on what in the heck I'm doing here. So you can see here where the top of the wall is even with the top of the stair stringer, and the face of the wall framing even with this part of the stair stringer. But again, you're going to be able to get your location off of your floor plan measurements. Then we're going to nail or screw a piece of backing here, and you can see where that's going to be the same height as the wall framing. Let's go ahead and remove the stringer, get an idea of what we're doing. Better idea. And then you can go ahead and install your risers. Now, if you want to, you can install the stair treads first if you're looking for a little more nailing. For example, instead of 3/4 of an inch, I might want to go all the way to the back and then just simply put my riser on top of the stair tread. And you can always leave the gaps necessary. Maybe 1/8 of an inch, for example, might be required by the plywood or OSB manufacturer. And that would be a gap between the edge of the plywood and the other framing components. And after that is done, you can go ahead and install your stair treads and then take a look at your stairway, because you now have another way to build a stairway without materials that you might not have access to. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.